Alright, to the Yaris. If you're ever having problems, the handbrake that is very loose and requires adjusting, this is what you need to do. Bolt there, remove, then rip this out, just like that. Now, don't know if you can see here, access, do I need to flash? You have access to, you can see this is way out. The bolt has fallen off. So you will see there is a bolt that needs to be tightened. And the bolt I found is meant to be a locking bolt that stops this bolt from loosening. So we just need to tighten that. Keep in mind, this seat's in the way a bit, so it's a bit of a pain, but you can do it. So what you're going to do, oh my god, there's not much room in these stupid little cars. Just tighten this bolt and then tighten that bolt so it doesn't move. And you can really see it's more of an even pull now. So left rear, right rear. Alright. And you can see, hopefully, that it is tightening. And when I'm done with this, I'm going to Loctite that in so it doesn't ever move back. So, you know, the handbrake works. More turning. This is a, is it 20-year-old car? Almost 20 years. So, this handbrake's obviously very loose. I've done the rear drums. So, just need a little bit of a tune-up with the handbrake so you can park on hills. Yeah, we'll just keep going, eh? Alright, just an alternate view, just hopefully you can see. It's really hard to do this while holding the camera. That's the nut that we're turning to tighten. Okay? Oh god, my back. There. Alright, once you've done that and put it back together. Oh. Oh, that's hard. Alright.